In 2023, researchers at Harvard Medical School studied the gut microbiome of patients with major depression. They compared stool samples from healthy individuals and people with depression. They discovered a specific bacterium called Morganella morgani that appeared far more frequently in those with depression. This microbe is known to cause inflammation and produce toxic substances that may negatively affect the brain. Harvard scientists suggested it could become a new biological marker for depression. In another study, Harvard also found that gut bacteria can transform steroid compounds into hormones that affect mood and behavior. This means gut microbes may influence not just digestion, but also the nervous and endocrine systems. Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health emphasized the gut-brain axis, stating that gut health plays a crucial role in emotional stability and brain function. In 2013, UCLA conducted a study with 36 healthy women. They were divided into 3 groups and followed for 4 weeks. One group consumed probiotic yogurt daily. Another ate non-fermented yogurt. The last group consumed nothing related. Brain scans showed that women who consumed probiotics had reduced activity in brain regions associated with emotional reactivity and stress. This included the anterior cingulate cortex and medial prefrontal cortex. The study suggested that diet can influence brain function and emotional regulation. In 2020, Psychiatry research published a meta-analysis of 34 randomized controlled trials, involving a total of 2,188 adult participants with symptoms of anxiety or depression. Those who took probiotics for at least 3 weeks saw a reduction of around 27% in depression and 26% in anxiety symptoms. Bifidobacterium and lactobacillus strains were the most effective. The study concluded that probiotics may be a helpful complementary therapy for individuals with mild to moderate mental health symptoms. In 2022, Nature Microbiology published a study involving 1,054 European adults. Participants submitted stool samples and completed mental health surveys. The results showed that those with greater microbial diversity in the gut had higher emotional resilience, lower levels of depression, and better quality of life scores. The study linked specific microbial metabolites with improved mood and mental flexibility. It confirmed that gut biodiversity is a key component in mental health. The gut and brain communicate through the gut-brain axis. This system uses nerves, hormones, and the immune system to relay information. About 90% of serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is produced in the gut. When the gut is out of balance, mood regulation can suffer. To restore gut balance, include these foods in your diet regularly. Fermented foods like kimchi, miso, kefir, and yogurt provide probiotics that help reduce inflammation and support beneficial bacteria. Prebiotic fiber in oats, garlic, bananas, and asparagus feeds good bacteria and supports production of short-chain fatty acids that boost serotonin levels. Polyphenol-rich foods such as blueberries, green tea, and olive oil have antioxidant effects and promote microbial diversity. Harvard recommends combining prebiotics and probiotics in a symbiotic diet to improve emotional well-being. This approach is especially helpful for people under chronic stress, those experiencing frequent low mood or anxiety, anyone struggling with focus or memory. Gut imbalances can amplify emotional symptoms. Improving gut health can strengthen mental resilience. Start simple. Plain yogurt for breakfast. Whole grains and veggies for lunch. Fruits and nuts as snacks. Small dietary changes can lead to big emotional improvements. Emotions don't start in the brain alone. They might begin in your gut. Support your microbiome, and your mind will thank you. This video is for informational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice. Please consult a healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes.